In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Whop effectively to start a business, learn a new skill, and build a network. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of this platform. First, we'll begin by heading over to Whop. Whop is a fantastic resource whether you're looking to venture into a new business, upskill in your personal or professional life, or connect with like-minded individuals and expand your network. Once you've arrived on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice several options to explore, but today our focus will be on the App Store, where you can find tools to enhance your journey. Next, let's proceed by clicking on the App Store. By doing so, you'll be introduced to a wide variety of applications that are designed to support and streamline your efforts. The App Store acts as a hub where all these available tools are hosted, making it easy for you to browse and choose those that suit your specific needs. Now, it's time to click on the Add button. This step is crucial because it allows you to integrate the applications you find most beneficial directly into your workspace. Adding apps is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy for you to tailor your environment with just the features you need. Whether you're looking at project management tools, communication platforms, or learning modules, adding them to your workspace will enhance your productivity and help you manage tasks more effectively. Finally, after you've added the apps you want, simply click on Done. This action finalizes your selections and incorporates them into your dashboard, ready for you to start using right away. Remember, building a workflow that suits your personal and professional needs is essential, and Whop provides an excellent platform to do so. By clicking Done, you're ensuring that these tools are set to be utilized straight from your workspace, streamlining your operations, and minimizing time spent switching between platforms. As you become more comfortable using Whop, feel free to explore additional options and features it offers. The platform is continuously updated with new tools and resources, so there will always be something new to discover. Remember, the ultimate goal is to create an ecosystem that supports your objectives, whether they're business-related, educational, or personal development. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Whop. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope it has been helpful in getting you started on your journey. Stay tuned for more insights and guides that will empower you to